Hey everybody, so today I decided to split the video into two parts. One is going to be status update, the other exercises. So right now the status update, I saw my physical therapist yesterday, which was eye-opening. That was the first appointment after surgery. Supposedly I'm a little bit behind, but not too bad. So that's good news. I guess I should have exercised a bit more. Uh, Other than that, I haven't taken any pain meds other than at night the oxycodone, and I'll see if I can maybe just use Tylenol for the night, just to get rid of this one. Knee is still swollen, still some pain, but definitely getting better. And the range of motion, yeah, the knee swells up very quickly when I stand up or even when I sit up. So, and then when it's swollen, I can't move it much. So any exercises I do, I try to actually keep my knee up. So let me keep my knee up. Okay, so that's that. Uh, I'm still resting a lot, less than before, but definitely, you know, I would say half of my day I spend lying down with my leg elevated. I started working from home, so mostly I sit in front of the computer with my leg elevated on another chair because I have multiple screens which makes it easier to work. Or I just use laptop in my lap, again in the sofa, and halfway lying back. And yeah, I mean it's not perfect, but I can get my work done. Uh, for activities, so I keep exercising other parts of my body, definitely just to not lose what I had before, and doing all these things like mini squats, ankle pumps, heel slides, quad isometrics, and knee extensions. There are actually two different kinds that I'll show you during the exercises, and leg raises, and stretches. So I don't know if you notice, if I really try hard, I can lift my leg up on my own, which is a progress. Let's see, I just have this bandage. It's coming off already, so you can see the big reveal. Lots of blood. I'm gonna clean it up later, but I think the scar turned out pretty good, and I'm ready to not to have it covered. And okay, so the important thing, I think, I was resting my leg on a pillow, like support here, but my physical therapist told me that I should be resting my leg at the ankle. Okay, you can't see it that well, but essentially support at the ankle, not at the knee, so that the leg stays straight. Okay, so maybe I'll tell you more during the exercise video.